Looking for replacement parts that fit perfectly and work flawlessly the moment you install them? GM Genuine Parts are engineered specifically for Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac vehicles to meet the highest standards. If you want parts designed and tested by the same engineers who built your car, this is the solution you've been waiting for. I've seen firsthand how these parts stand out. One user shared how they lost a critical component for their 2019 GMC Yukon Denali and replaced it with a GM Genuine part. The moment it was installed, everything worked instantly, no programming, no extra steps. Another customer with a 2021 Cadillac ESV reported the same. Just pop in the batteries, and the part worked exactly as described. That's the kind of reliability that saves time and frustration. What makes GM Genuine Parts so dependable? General Motors continually updates their production and service part designs, integrating new materials and the latest technologies. This means you're not just getting a replacement, you're getting a part optimized for your vehicle's performance and longevity. Plus, with no programming required, installation is straightforward and hassle-free. If you're considering an upgrade or replacement, GM Genuine Parts are worth a look. They deliver what you need: seamless compatibility, trusted quality, and quick installation. Try it when you're ready to experience parts designed by the experts who know your vehicle best.